favourite coasters here at Winter Wonderland. I love this ride so much and I can't wait to get back on it.
You looking forward to Olympia Looping, David? What do you think of that then, David?
That's really good. Really good, but got a bit painful. That's a great fun ride. This is a great ride at Winter Wonderland, my favourite ride at Winter Wonderland, and I love this ride so much. It is so intense and the G pull is so much. It's around about 5.2 G pull, which is a lot in roller coaster terms. And I really thought I was going to have a grey out of it, but I never usually get on a roller coaster or any ride ever. That was such an enjoyable experience. It was a bit headbangy, but I love this ride so much. And this is just the best ride here. And I love how funny the G-Force is. And I can't wait to see it next year in 2024.